Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save image from Instagram direct message to your phone's gallery. So here I've already opened my Instagram and I'm going to go to my DMs, and here I want to save this photos right here. So what you need to do, you can see that there is no option to download or save photo in here, so you need to long press on the photo, then this will appear, then you can just click on more at the bottom, and here there will be a save button, so you can just click on save. Oops, click on save, and just like that the photo has been saved to your gallery. Then you can find it later in your gallery. Okay, so here it is, the photo has been saved to my gallery. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.